Ever wonder what happens when you mix cutting-edge technology with everyday dirt? Well, you get the best Dyson vacuum cleaners, designed to tackle the chaos our beloved pets and daily life throw at us. But which one really sucks up the competition? Today, we're diving into the top picks to find out. So, be ready, and let's get started. Starting off at number 3, we have the Dyson Ball Animal 3. This vacuum is a powerhouse, especially for homes with furry friends. It's corded, so you get continuous power, and it weighs around 17.3 pounds. What I really love about the Ball Animal 3 is its detangling motor bar cleaner head. If you're tired of hair wrapping around the brush, this feature is a lifesaver. It also boasts whole machine filtration and is bagless, which I think makes maintenance pretty straightforward. Maneuvering this vacuum is quite easy. It's a bit on the bulky side, but the suction power and versatility it offers for around $399 make it a great deal in my book. Coming in at number 2 is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This one's a dream for anyone with allergies, like myself. It's incredibly lightweight at just 5.2 pounds, and being cordless means you can take it anywhere. The tech features on this are impressive. There's an LCD screen that shows the particles you're picking up, which I think is really cool. And the fluffy optic cleaner head, it's amazing for revealing hidden dust on hard floors. Now available for $499. It's ideal for small spaces thanks to its HEPA filter system. The only downside, in my opinion, is the small dustbin. But for its versatility, I think it's worth it. And now, my top pick, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. In terms of power, this one really stands out. It's a bit heavier at 7.72 pounds, but the suction power is incredible. It offers 70 minutes of runtime and has a pretty decent bin volume. The HEPA filtration system is one of the best I've seen, trapping even the smallest particles. Currently available for $733. So if you're looking for a feature-rich vacuum that offers a deep clean and improves air quality, it's worth the investment. So there you have it, our Dyson Vacuum Roundup. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.